Today I'm going to be reviewing CNAOA's pet hair removal set with roller and glove. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. That's the glove. There's the handle she's holding, and there's the roller. As you can see, this is going to work really well on the blanket for the dog. Just rolling over it. We're going to look at another spot here. Again, picks it up really easily. I watched some reviews that said it doesn't work at all, but here she is opening it up and you can see the hair in there. So it actually does work really well. Now the glove also works well. All you have to do is slip your hand in there and then wipe the hair off. This one takes a little bit more effort, but I think it still works really well. So if you're looking for something to get the hair off, you can see there at the end. Now, one issue she ran into is that the thing did not close at the end. I'm just going to chalk this up as just a small defect in the one that we got. Overall, I think it's a really good item, but last month 1,000 of these were bought and I'm not seeing a lot of them getting returned, so that's good news. I hope this review helps and I'll see you next time.